Hello to all of you guys. In this video, we will explain to create an object and call in any element of student class via object. Okay. First, we are creating student class. Student class has four parameters. First parameter is name. Name is variable name. Second parameter is surname. Surname is variable name. Age is third parameters. Age is variable name. Average is variable name. Fourth parameters is average. Ahmet is string expression. Ahmet assigns to name. Aslan is string expression. Aslan assigns to surname. 19 is integer expression. 19 assigns to age. 77 integer expression. 77 assigns to average. Here student class assigns to S1. S1 is new object. S1 is create new object. Okay. And we are calling name element of S1. So of student class. So this is student class. Okay. Output is Ahmet. Ahmet is a Turkish name. Okay. Thank you very much for listening patiently. You can follow from our social media account and over my YouTube channel. Have a good time. See you later. Goodbye.